So ngiye kuba kubita Reina mwizamu. I don't want to see hari ikintu kiba gitangaje kweli. Ibase kuba mvuga ngo ndashaka Robert Sanchez nkanabishyiraho n'akadomo nkavuga ati Robert Sanchez atanabanje mu kandi nawe ndabizi neza ko atari ku rwego rw'ikipe ya Chelsea Football Club. Ibi mbivuga gutya atari kwandamayininga Robert Sanchez, bivuga kubera yuko nzi level y'abazamu bakiniye ino club, kuko nzi level y'ikipe ya Chelsea Football Club. Amakosa Robert Sanchez agira ntago ari amakosa y'umukinnyi uri ku rwego rwo gukinira The Blues. Abafana b'ikipe ya Chelsea murabizi neza ko twagize abazamu n'abazamu. Uyu muzamu rwose Robert Sanchez nawe ku rwego ariho ntago aratwereka neza ko ari kuri level ya Chelsea Football Club. Focus very poor. Hello my beautiful people, mumeze fresh. Nizere ko mumeze neza kabisa. Nizere ko ibintu ari umutekano ahantu muri agiye atandukanye. Nizere ko ibintu ari bomba klati. Ni wa mwanya wacu tuba twarahari amakuru atandukanye, update, preview, review, ibintu bigiye bitandukanye biba bibarizwa mu ikipe ya Chelsea Football Club. Of course tujya no kuyandi makipe tugacambira ahantu hose, ariko uyu munsi uri very special kuko The Blues Chelsea Football Club igiye kwakira ikipe ya Brighton. Iyi ni match ivuze ibintu byinshi cyane, ni match ya Premier League. We have to go through it, we have to see lineup, we have to see what probably is going to happen. So I invite everybody here ni kuri ya YouTube yanyu mukunda, kuri Byinjiro Football TV, niho to breaking down everything about Chelsea Football Club. Ndagira ngo mbere kaze rero twongere tubane mu kiganiro cy'iminota mikeya cyane, twinjira muri preview tureba abakinnyi bari available, ni bande bavunitse, ni bande bagarutse, ese ni ye lineup umutoza Enzo Maresca ashobora kwifashisha kugira ngo yikure mu menyo ya rubamba. Nkuko mubizi ikipe ya Chelsea Football Club uburyo yatangiye ino season iri very inconsistent, iri very poorly performing. Atari ko tudafite ikipe nziza, turi gutakaza imikino tutakabaye dutakaza, atari ko twakinye nabi, ahubwo ari imipangire mibi y'umutoza, ari naivety cyangwa abakinnyi kunegirija niko nabyita, tugatakaza match nko ku minota wa nyuma kandi twari in control. Ibi bintu rero umutoza Enzo Maresca bishobora kumuviramo ikibazo gikomeye cyane, kubera ko expectation cyangwa icyo Chelsea abafana b'ikipe ya Chelsea bifuza cyangwa n'abaherwe, buri muntu wese arifuza ko ikipe ya Chelsea yarangiza kuri hashoboka, yagera mu Champions League kuri hashoboka, ariko ibyo byose biri mu biganza by'umutoza Enzo Maresca. Hari abantu batangiye gukora campaign cyangwa kuzamura ijwi bavuga ati uyu mutoza agomba kwirukanwa. For me suggestion yanje nuko umutoza yahabwa time, ntabwo umutoza ugize ibihe bibi wese ari uko ahita yirukanwa. Twaribonye ba Jurgen Klopp hari igihe byageraga bikanga. Pep Guardiola n'urugero rwiza nabaha, yarastaragorinze last season, ikipe ye irastaragoringa no kurangiza muri Big Four bibi kibazo, ariko bamuha trust, ikipe arongera arayizamura. Kuri ubu ikipe ya Manchester City iri kuri level nziza ugereranyije na Chelsea, kandi twararangije on high level kurusha Manchester City. Ibi rero bivuze yuko bibaho, let's give chance, let's give time kuri mutoza, kuko already yamaze guprovinga abantu yuko ashoboye kano kazi. So there is something going on, maybe dressing room, maybe whatever happened, we don't know actually behind closed door what is really happening. Ariko kuba n'umutoza yarabuzemo some key players bagize imvune, bari Colwill n'abakinnyi umutoza yagenderagaho cyane muri defense, nabyo ni ibintu bitamuguye neza. Abakinnyi bamwe na bamwe bara dropping forme, nka Enzo Fernandez yara droppinze ku rwego ruhagije. Ntabwo Enzo Fernandez warangije sezishize ari turi kubona ubu ngubu. Ibyo ni ibintu byose bishobora kwafecta ikipe, ariko kuri uyu munsi ndagira ngo twibande just ku mukino wa Brighton. Mwandira kuri like, mwandira subscribe niba utarayikanda, ubundi ujye twibandire ku biganiro byakasa mutwe kuri Premier League, kuri European competitions, cyane cyane yuko anga ari hantu tuzajya icyo bita update. Every single day we drop videos. Uyu munsi reka tubanze tujye ku kibazo nyamukuru cy'ikipe ya Chelsea Football Club. Currently the Blues mu mikino ine ishize, nimba nyibyibuka neza, twabanje gukina n'ikipe ya Brentford ni ikipe twanganyije, twayitsinze, ariko ku munota wa nyuma ikipe ikaza kutwishyura igitego cy'ubufu cy'ubukaritasi, banaze baro muri box, habura umukinnyi n'umwe wa Chelsea yikoraho, iragenda yidunda muri box, isanga umusore w'ikipe ya Brentford ari tayari atatwishyura igitego, iyo match tuba dutakaje amanota 2 yose yigendera. Nyuma y'iyo match tujya gukina n'ikipe ya Bayern Munich. Bayern Munich idukubitira iwayo kuri stade yayo, nabwo atari uko yaturushije cyane, ari amakosa y'abadefanseri, miscommunication, ikipe iradukubita kabisa. Mwese murabyibuka ntago ari kera. Ejo muri twakinnye n'agakipe ko mu cyiciro cya 4 my friend, League 1 mu Bwongereza cyangwa icyiciro cya 4 mu Kinyarwanda nk'uko babivuga, tugatsinda ibitego 2-1, twahatanye ibintu byakomeye cyane. Nta muntu mu by'ukuri uri kuvuga ngo what is really going to happen, ariko finally tubona amanota 3 bigoranye cyane mu by'ukuri, ikipe twari gutsinda with ease. Ntago ari byo gusa, kuko ikipe ya Chelsea Football Club kuri uyu munsi igiye kwakira mu rugo ikipe ya Brighton. Brighton ni ikipe iri attacking minded, ni ikipe itajya yicara ngo defende ngo irwane no kuguma inyuma, irakwataka, wabasha kwitsinda ukayitsinda, byakunanira ikagukubita. That is how they play. They are young, they are energetic, they are aggressive. This is what Enzo Maresca is going to face on this Saturday. So I'm here just to discuss about this game. Mbere na mbere ndabanza mbabwire ku kintu kijyanye na liste y'abakinnyi bacu bari hanze. Of course Liverpool yakoruye hanze, Badia Shiri yagarutse mu myitozo nk'uko umutoza yabivuze, uwo bita Lavia nawe yagarutse mu myitozo. Undi mukinnyi wabagarutse mu myitozo ninde? Cole Palmer ntabwo nagenda nawe namuvuze kuri liste y'abari yabagize injury, kuko nawe ubu ngubu ari hanze igihe tutazi ngo kingana gute. Ntabwo bigeze badesida niba bazamukorera surgery. We are just waiting for the latest confirmation. Ariko umukinnyi wa Chelsea Football Club uwo bita Kizigenza muri liste ya Ballon d'Or yaje ku mwanya wa 8, n'umukinnyi wahetse ikipe ya Chelsea ku rwego rugaragara rwose, haba season ya Pochettino, haba season ya Enzo Maresca. Uyu mupeti he was growing every single day nyuma yo kwinjira mu kipe ya Chelsea avuye muri Manchester City. Ariko ubu ngubu tuvugana Chelsea igiye kongera gukina indi match idafite Maestro Cole Palmer. So what is Enzo Maresca going to do in that position? We are going to find out now. So ku bakinnyi bandi navuga ko batari fit, Wesley Fofana yakinnye iminota 90 ku mukino twakinnye na Manchester United, yakinnye iminota 40. Manchester United nane bagiye kwibabwira nayo yaradutsinze ibitego 2-1 ku makosa y'umuzamu, yihesha ikarita y'umutuku ku minota 5. Izo ni match zose ikipe Chelsea yagiye droppinga ya inconsistency nababwiye. Fofana yakinnye iminota 90 muri Carabao Cup. I'm not 100% niba umutoza yakongera akamukinisha, cyane cyane ko uyu mukinnyi nawe amaze igihe kinini ari mu mvune. Bivuze ngo abandi usibye abo bakinnyi maze kuvuga hejuru, abandi bari tayari, bari ready gukina n'ikipe ya Brighton. Hari umujama wanyibukije ambwa ati Liam Delap nawe ari hanze, we n'igihe kirekire, ushobora kumara hagati y'ibyumweru 10 cyangwa 12, who knows. So let's go to lineup. Right now lineup it is very obvious. Mbere yo kugera nje kuri lineup, mfitiye message umutoza Enzo Maresca. We have seen enough. We have to trust these 3 young men. Uwa mbere tugomba guikize Achipong, Josh Achipong. He's a truly defender. He's a good center back. Ntago ari muri academy gusa, impamvu Chelsea itamugurishije nuko uyu mwana ari ku rwego rwo kuba yakompetera umwanya we nawe akabona time. Yakinnye match na Crystal Palace, turabizi neza ko uyu mupeti ari very calm. He's good on the ball, he can defend, he can progress the ball, he can do pretty everything in defense. Uyu mutoza Enzo Maresca ni defense imaze kuduteza ibibazo byinshi, agomba kujya gute kwadapta uyu mwana akamushyira mu kibuga. Undi mukinnyi nawe tutagomba kwirengagiza ni Andre Santos. Mu gihe abakinnyi bacu muri midfield ba strugglinga, ubwo ndavuga Enzo Fernandez, bakahura n'ibibazo byo kuba consistent. Umukino umwe ukabona yakinye neza mu minota 30, ukabona atanze igitego runaka, ukabona bigenze gute na gute. Performance za Enzo Fernandez since the beginning of this season, he was not convincing to the level we know him. Bivuze ngo rero umutoza Enzo Maresca anga agomba gufata decision kugira ngo abone uko yintegra bano bapeti. Hari impamvu ikipe Chelsea itabagurishije, hari impamvu ikipe ya Chelsea yabagumanye, hari n'impamvu kandi barabimerita, ntabwo ari gift. Aba bapeti bagomba gukina umupira barawuzi kandi bafite akazoja muka abavandimwe b'abarundi babivuga. Ndanabasuje cyane abaturanyi b'abarundi. Uwo ni uwa mbere. Uwa kabiri Andre Santos, uwa gatatu umutoza Enzo Maresca, uyu mupeta zamwirukanisha. Estevao William yakubera ikibazo gikomeye cyane. Uracyamufata nk'uruhinja, uracyamufata nk'umupeti muto, uracyamufata nk'umukinnyi uri aho ngaho. Estevao William is that guy. In case you don't know, Estevao William yarangije ku mwanya wa 4 muri kino gikombe bakita gwiki cy'abapeti batanije imyaka 21. Ejo bundi muri ceremony cya gikombe la mini Maria atwaye. Enzo Maresca uyu mupeti ugomba kumuha icyizere, ugomba reba mu bapeti bose bari under 21 bakina muri Europe. Estevao William yaje ku mwanya wa 4 ataranakinnye muri Champions League, ataranakinnye muri Premier League from Brazil. Uyu mupeti yamaze kugaragaza ko ashobora gukompeta ku rwego rwo hejuru. Sinzi impamvu Enzo Maresca ahesitatinga kumushyira mu kibuga, kandi ikintu gisekeje nuko anything igihe cyose abonye chance akina neza. Ubona ko ataka yacerehindutse, ntago bishoboka kumukuraho baro, arihuta, passes ni muri ndwa mubi, abonye space ashobora gutsinda ibitego. This guy is a real threat ku makipe yose tukina nayo. Sinzi impamvu umutoza Enzo Maresca atamukinisha, kandi umupeta ashaka kumera ikibazo gikomeye cyane. So nje kwa kubita Reina mwizamu, I don't want to see hari ikintu kiba gitangaje kweli. Ibase kuba mvuga ngo ndashaka Robert Sanchez, nkanabishyiraho n'akadomo nkavuga ati Robert Sanchez atanabanje mu, kandi nawe ndabizi neza ko atari ku rwego rw'ikipe ya Chelsea Football Club. Ibi mbivuga gutya atari kwandamayininga Robert Sanchez, bivuga kubera yuko nzi level y'abazamu bakiniye ino club, kuko nzi level y'ikipe ya Chelsea Football Club. Amakosa Robert Sanchez agira ntago ari amakosa y'umukinnyi uri ku rwego rwo gukinira The Blues. Abafana b'ikipe ya Chelsea murabizi neza ko twagize abazamu n'abazamu. Uyu muzamu rwose Robert Sanchez nawe ku rwego ariho ntago aratwereka neza ko ari kuri level ya Chelsea Football Club. Focus very poor, mistakes, akora amakosa y'umwana muto cyane. Imbere y'izamu ukabona tanze baro adushiza under pressure. Ndashaka kubona Robert Sanchez mu izamu kubera impamvu imwe gusa, kubera ko tudafite andi mahitamo. Nagaruka ari brilliant, kubera ko uyu mujama bita bamwita Philip Jorgensen we ni ibindi kabisa. Twabonye enough muri Carabao Cup. I'm very sorry for Philip Jorgensen, this must be solved. Hari umujama wanyandikira avuga ati buriya dukeneye Michael Penders, shout out Banza Etienne, nimba izina naryibeshyeho. Tugenda tuganira muri groupe ya WhatsApp, niba utari muri groupe ya WhatsApp rwose waratanzwe, abahungu bari kuganira, nanjye mbonye akanya ndaza rwose tugacirira. Abafana b'ikipe ya Chelsea bari very welcome. Ndaza konyana cyo link muri comment nimba utari muri group uze kubuhabaye. So kwizamu rero dufite ikibazo, ariko Michael Penders numuzamu w'ikipe ya Chelsea ari gukinira ikipe ya Strasbourg aho twamutije. Biranavugwa yuko mu kwa mbere ashobora kuba kumugaru, call him back at Stamford Bridge. Biravugwa akandi banande makuru avuga ko uwo bita Mike Mignon akirira dari ikipe ya Chelsea Football Club, umugade w'ikipe ya Milan. Abantu benshi bari kuvuga ko ashobora kuza Stamford Bridge kuri free transfer, kubera yuko ari kurangiza amasezerano yiwe. Ubwo rero atongereye amasezerano mu ikipe ya Milan, ashobora kurangira yiziye muri The Blues. Reka tuve kuri icyo ngicyo. Ku muzamu wo twana cleaning out, we need a goalkeeper. Center back, dufite aba center back babiri bari fit, Tosin Adarabioyo na Trevoh Chalobah. Ariko these two guys nabo ntabwo bari consistent. Buriyo defense yawe itameze neza, ikipe waba uriyo yose, abataka bo waba ufite bose, midfield waba ufite yari yose, udafite defense iri solid ishobora kudefenda neza, nta kintu ubuvuze. Aha rero ni hamwe Chelsea ifitiye ikibazo right now. Defensively we are very poor, set pieces we are vulnerable. Mipira y'imiterekano rwose, corner kicks, free kicks, through balls, amakipe aratuzahaza. Ibaze no kuba ikipe yo mu cyiciro cya 4 iza ikatumena amatwi kuri set pieces. tukibura neza I don't know what is going on. Umutoza Enzo Maresca niyo mpamvu agomba gushyiramo Josh Achipong uko natangiye mbivuga. Josh Achipong deserve playing time. Not only that, arabakinana na Trevoh Chalobah kuko Tosin Adarabioyo, I'm very sorry, ndabizi umutoza Enzo Maresca rwose, I will not be surprised kubona Tosin Adarabioyo abanjemo. Ariko uyu mutipe nabari abapeti ba Brighton birukanka kuriya rwose tuzaba tugato kwa na pesa agira. Ikindi ari very slow. I have seen enough. We need to see Josh Achipong playing for Chelsea Football Club. Otherwise mufuri nguno mwana yigire kwikinira mu yandi makipe kuko hari amakipe menshi cyane amushaka. Nta mpamvu yo kwica kariya y'umupeti w'imyaka 18 19. Nimba udashaka kumukinisha let him go. Kumugumisha kuri bench no kumusubiza inyuma. Reka umwana kine afite urwego ntabwo rwose Tosin Adarabioyo ari wa defense buvuga ati nguna is undroppable. He's not that guy. Turabizi neza ko turi gusafaringa kubera imvune ya Liverpool Korwe. So let this guy get a chance to prove himself. Nagaza proving himself mu myitozo in the game like this. Niho umwana bagomba kuza akigaragaza imbere y'abafana Stamford Bridge. Trevoh Chalobah ntacyo namuvugaho nubwo yakora amakosa, ariko mbizi neza yuko work ethic cyangwa imbaraga speed abahari rwose, abari tayari gushyira everything on the table. Yegeranye na Reece James kuri right back, nta kibazo mbafite kuri Trevoh Chalobah. Ikindi kintu nanone kuri right back, Enzo Maresca agomba guhindura ibintu byo gufata Reece James akamwimvatinga kuko turi kubura Reece James wacu tuzi, turi kubura a lot of quality from this guy. Reece James is better when he arrives in the box, in the right hand side. Yari gukinana no muwinga bafatikanye. Umuwinga pushing imbere, Reece James amukavaringa akubita icyo bita overlap, akubita mu cross, byanaba ngombwa akubitamo amashoti mu izamu. Reece James is better in the right back. Please Enzo Maresca, play the players in their natural position. Ibi bintu dora tubivuga, dora tubisubiramo, gushaka kuba umufilozofe mu kibuga nta kintu bifasha ikipe. Nareka abakinnyi bakine mu myanya yabo bametiriza. We have a good enough quality to play and win games. Sinzi impamvu umutoza Enzo Maresca complicating ibintu akabishyira agashaka kuvumbura. Ni sinzi ikintu ari kuvumbura muri rusange. Dufite aba midfield bameze neza, dufite mu right back, dufite mu left back. Why can't you play these guys in their natural position? I don't understand. Enzo Maresca we ubwe ni uzikora Stamford Bridge akirukana. Kuko iyi kipe ntago ari ikipe igoye gutoza, n'abapeti batoya barumva ibyo umutoza babwira. Ariko umutoza we ku giti cye ni ushobora kuba directinga in the wrong direction. So kuri left back in Marc Cucurella, I don't have any doubt about Marc Cucurella. He's always there defending, attacking. He's that guy. In midfield, there must be another change in midfield. I mean, Enzo Fernandez, let's be honest, twese tuzi quality za Enzo Fernandez. Nabonye abafana b'ikipe ya Chelsea kuri Twitter X batukana batakana Enzo Fernandez mwibagijwe bimwiba. We know who truly Enzo Fernandez is. Afite talent nta muntu ushidikanyaho, ariko bibaho ko umukinnyi aba meforme ajya mu gihe kitari cyiza kabisa. Ibyo ni ibintu biri normal. Ikindi no mupeti yakinnye imikino myinshi cyane, a lot of games. He need the rest. I don't know why Enzo Maresca is hesitant. Azamura urasa ariko yavunitse nawe, yagize CA injury, agiye gukubita umwaka tutanamubona mu kibuga. He's young, he need the rest, he need to recover. Enzo Maresca, do the right things. Let Enzo Fernandez rest. Dufite mu midfield ahantu nabyumva ngana mugarukira nuko twaba tudafite replacements cyangwa mu midfield. Andre Santos is there. He's competitive. He has energy. He can defend. He can attack. He's a natural midfield. Umupeti ni batangiye gukinira ikipe ya Brazil. Nimba umupeti Carlo Ancelotti, umutoza twemera mu beza banyuze kuri ubu butaka, akaba mugira icyizere akamuhamagara mu ikipe ya Brazil Samba Boys, akaba yara captain inzi ikipe ya Strasbourg, akayihesha European competition place. inshuro zose twamuhaye time yo gukina muri midfield yarigaragaje. Kubera iki utamuhereza chance ngo akinane na Moses Caicedo? I don't get it. Chelsea fans, let's no mureke tuganire. Je menye wagwana nibiki biri kujya mbere ku mutoza Enzo Maresca. Nibi bintu tubona kuri screen we yitozanya nabano bakini. Ninde muntu utabona ko Enzo Fernandez ananiwe? We know his quality. Ntago nje nazanga ko ibyinyo football TV ngo mvuge ati Enzo Fernandez is poor, he is la. Enzo Fernandez is that guy. Ariko buri mukinyi wese abakeneye rest, bro. You cannot play Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, Saturday, 3 games in the week. They are not robots. They are human beings, just like me, just like you. They deserve rest. You no ikintu kiri very interesting. Iyo umukinyi utamuruhuye, imvune ni muruhura. Kubita imvune kagendeka kubita nk'umwaka rwose. Simple is that. They are not machine, they are human beings. And ahantu nabigira ikibazo naho twaba tudafite choice. Nk'ukuri Moses Caicedo, nje ndareba nkavuga ati ninashyiramo Moses Caicedo ndashyiramo nde. This guy is engine. Niwe moteri y'ino kipe. Buri game yose agiye gukina abashyira 100%. Nta na rimwe ndabona Moses Caicedo ya drop it. Buri gihe abari hari. Ariko Dario Isugu murabizi ari hanze yaravunitse, nawe nibagiye kumishyira ku rutonde rw'abavunitse, niho akabaye umusimbuye akamuha rest. So ubungu namahitamo mfite kuri Moses Caicedo, ariko ari kumwe na Andre Santos iri ya midfield na Brighton ntago yabacika 100%. Ako mutoza arareba akavuga ati reka nzikiremo ane nashyiramo Enzo Sen ndiri butange pass. We all know that Andre Santos, he can pass the ball. We all know, everybody knows. So let's wait and see. Imbere yaho gato ndashyira Joao Pedro kuri nimero 10 kuba winga rero. Joao Pedro impamvu mamushyize nuko Cole Palmer amaze kubivuga ko atameze neza, afite ikibazo cy'imvune. Kuri winga Estevao William, I need to see Estevao William starting games, not today. I need to see this guy every time playing football. This guy is on the level of competing for Ballon d'Or. You are making him sit on the bench. What is really going on? I can't get it. Estevao William, he must start on the right wing. Left wing, let's give a chance to Pedro Neto. Pedro Neto nawe yakinnye imikino myinshi, akeneye kuruhuka. Umutoza abanjeho Alexander Garnacho, nta kibazo nabigiraho, ariko in my lineup I will start Pedro Neto just to set the momentum. Kora ko ukutangiye umukino, ukutangiye wataka ikipe n'ugusimbuye nawe azanye nafatiraho, ntago abashaka gusubira inyuma. Kurusha no kubanzamo umukinnyi uri poorly, twaza kumushyiramo tukamushyiramo twamaze gukubitwa biri bugorane no kwishyura. Twatangira ino kipe tuyataka tukayikubita tukica game ku mukino ku minota mike cyane, kipe yamaze kurya ibitego bibiri. None umutoza agatangira none gukuramo babakinyi bacu tubakuramo baruhuka. Ibyo by'umutoza ubundi muzima akabaye akora. Shyiramo ikipe yawe nziza wizeye, uyihereze mission mu gice cya mbere kubitemo ibitego bibiri, ubundi mu gice cya kabiri ubakure muzanemo abandi nabo bakeneye baryoherwe n'abandi baruhuka. Ariko banzamo ikipe noya bakayikubita babandi ukabazanamo game over. It's very easy, simple common understanding. Buri muntu wese yabyumva. Ariko Enzo Maresca, I don't know what is really going on. To be honest, I don't know. I don't have any clue of what is really going on. Kubera ko twese ibintu tubona n'amaso yacu araza akahita ashaka kutwereka ko turi impumyi cyangwa tudatekereza. Kwa abakinnyi dufite ikipe turayizi, imyaka 2-3 tuyireba ikina, buri mukinnyi wese level ye turayizi. Sinzi rero ukuntu umutoza Enzo Maresca agira gutya akavuga ati ntabwo nzakinisha Andre Santos, ntabwo nzakinisha Estevao William, ntabwo nzakinisha Josh Archipong. Natangiye kuri Josh Archipong afite imyaka 6-7-8 mu ikipe ya Chelsea Football Club from academy. Kugira umwana abe promoted ku myaka 18 aze mu ikipe ya mbere nuko aba bimerita. Abandi bava muri academy batababatiza mu cyiciro cya kabiri mu Bufaransa, ariko umwana bahamagara kaza muri Stamford Bridge. abari wa mupeti n'ubundi kipe yose yakwifuza kugira gute gukinisha. Kuri attack rero naho hagomba kubamo change. Mark Guehi ari available, nta mvune afite, he is very fit, he must play. So umutoza Enzo Maresca cyetse none nashaka kuzana ubundi bukoryo bwe no kuvumbura, I don't know what is really going on, ariko Enzo Maresca agomba gukinisha a natural striker. Ntabwo nshaka kubona umutoza Enzo Maresca abanzamo uyu mupeti bita Tariq George ku icyenda dufite umwataka. Since La Masia akiri muri Academy ya Barcelona yakinaga as a striker, as a number 9, tumugura as a number 9, tumukura muri Sunderland, tumugarura Stamford Bridge just to be number 9 to cover our striking position. So let him play, otherwise musubize muri Sunderland agenda yikinira kuko Sunderland yari mukeneye. So why did we call him back to begin with? Let this guy play, he needs to prove point. Akavuga ati niba ikipe ya Chelsea yaramuye mu nizanye kangarura nuko inyeneye tumukeneye, ntago tumukeneye ngo yicare kuri bench, we need him to play football. Cole Palmer naho hari yari gukina ku 10, Joao Pedro akajya ku 9. I can understand, ariko ubu none Cole Palmer naho hari Joao Pedro akina neza iyo ari kuri nimero 10, ari inyuma ya box. Muri box hashyira umuntu ukipa aba defenseur urebe ibintu Joao Pedro yikorera, atari Tariq George, kuko Tariq George ntago ari number 9. Tariq George is a winger, let him play on the wing. Nimba ushaka no kumukinisha, I don't have any problem about this guy. Tariq George nta kibazo mufiteho, umubanje kuri wing nta kibazo kabisa, ariko wimushyiramo ngo none namushyire muri wrong position. Reka dutegeze turebe. Iyo niyo line up yanjye, ntabwo najya kure y'ibi ngibi. Umutoza nanone ikintu cyo namubwira nuko rotation is a key. Mu gihe ubona umukinnyi asitaragurinze atari mu mukino neza, don't hesitate, mukuremo. Ujya gusimbuza ku minota 88, urazanamo umukinnyi iminota 2 ngo atabiki, simbuza kandi ukore substitution ziri bufashe ikipe. Usimbuje Reece James, it's okay, kuko Reece James turi kumumanaginga kugira ngo turebe ko yaguma ari fit. Dukeneye Reece James, Marcus ajemo nta kibazo, ariko reka Reece James abanze mu kibuga dushaka intsinzi hakiri kare. I hope Enzo Maresca he will do the right thing, cyane cyane ko ino match ya Brighton atayitsinze ibibazo byahita bitangira kubazwa ari byinshi cyane, kuko dufite ikipe man. Ntabwo nshobora kubyumva ukuntu wambwira ngo ikipe ya Chelsea nta kipe dufite. We have a good team with the right manager, with the right direction, we can win games easily. Ntabwo amwe ufite Reece James, ufite Moses Caicedo, ufite Estevao William, ufite Joao Pedro, ngo abo bakinira bafite, ariko ntabwo ushobora gutsinda game. I cannot understand. Kuko n'amakipe adukubita ntabwo ari amakipe twavuga ngo yadukubise ngo yatwatatse byatari. Prediction yanjye rero y'ibitego, ntabwo ndi bujye kure. Iyi match izaba iri very tight, iri very close. Ikipe ya Chelsea izatsinda igitego kimwe ku busa. This is how I see it. Nawe wagenda muri comment kwabwira ikipe tuzayikubita 4. Nta muntu njye na agreement ngo mvuge ngo reka prediction. Nimba uvuze ngo ni ibitego 5 bishobora kuba, ntago ari ugambe Chelsea yatsinze ibitego 5. Nimba uvuze bazadukubita 2-0, na there is no surprise, anything can happen in a football game. So it's 1-0, tukareba uko biza kugenda. Arafista ndabakunda cyane. Ciao.